The amazing health benefits of guava leaf. The powerful sexual health benefits of guava leaf. Guava leaf have tremendous and unimaginable health benefits that if I begin to mention all of them, this video will not finish today because actually it have over 40 health benefits, over 40 ailments that it can help to manage, ranging from teeth problem, liver problem, eye problem, mouth ulcer, and so on and so forth. But because I don't want this video to be long, I am only going to pick the sexuality benefits of guava leaf. When I get enough thumbs up and comment from the video, I will now do other ones. So if only you follow me to the end of today's video, I will tell you more about that. But before then, please give this video a thumbs up and help YouTube algorithm shift it to other people that need it. As you do so, may God bless you. So welcome once again to Jenny Action TV. In this particular channel, I discuss three important variables which are actually health, safety, and spirituality. Believe me, if you can understand and apply these three correctly in your life, the sky will not be your limit. It becomes your starting point. If this is the very first time you're landing in this channel, you're highly welcome. Please do well to hit the red subscribe button and the bell notification so that YouTube will always notify you once I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for always stopping by. For my new timers, if you're searching for any video, all you need to do is go through the search button in YouTube, type Jenny Action TV, / the keyword of the video you're looking for. For example, health benefit. You get lots and lots of videos I've made about health benefit. You watch and get some value. So without actually wasting your time, let's delve into the video of today. The amazing sexual and fertility benefit of guava leaf. So the first amazing sexual benefit of guava leaf is this: it helps to increase sexual drive or sexual urge. Like I have said it once before, one of the things that causes problem in homes is actually sexual problem, and this problem have sponsored side chick, side man into a kind of a loving home that such shouldn't have ever existed. So we can't afford to shy away from it. Being a marriage counselor, we need to tell ourselves the truth because actually I want our marriages to work and I don't want anybody to lose his or her man, lose his or her wife in the hand of a side man. So long as it's sexual problem, lack of sexual urge, whereby the man is feeling to have fun and the woman is reluctant because that urge is not there, or the woman is always wishing to have fun, but the man's sexual urge and sexual feeling is a kind of very low. That is, in other words, have low libido. One of the things that guava leaf does is that it increases libido. It increases sexual urge. It increases a kind of sexual desire. When you make guava leaf tea and drink, and I drink it from time to time, you will notice that over the time your sexual urge has really improved. Where both male and female, it will work equivalently the same way and the same level. So if you follow till the end of the video, I will tell you how you are going to use it for that sexual urge. And then the second thing it does is that it helps in production of sperm. In other words, apparently it cures low sperm count. For those men that are suffering from low sperm count, one of the things that will help to boost their sperm production in order to enable them father their own child is actually guava leaves. If you still follow to the end, I will tell you how to use it in order to get that amazing result. So the third one it does is that it helps during women menstrual flow. For those people that are having scanty blood, irregular menstrual flow, it helps to normalize it. Apparently, it works on the female secondary hormones, which are the estrogen and progesterone. So one of the things it also does is that if you are having painful menstruation, painful menstrual cycle, it helps to relieve you of such painful menstrual period, and you notice that your period is flowing with ease without any form of a pain. In other words, it treats menstrual cramps. And another thing it does is that if you are having clotted blood, like the blood is coming a kind of in lumps, which you know that is not good, except if you have fibroid and you are taking something like my type of stem cell. That is when you will see that type of lump blood coming, because actually it is helping to evacuate that particular fibroid. But apart from that, normally if you don't have any form of fibroid and your blood flow is coming in lump form, it is not good. So it helps you to have a free flow of blood without the blood being in lump form. So that is one thing that it does. In other words, it makes you to have a nice experience and feeling during your menstrual flow, so much so that you will feel as normal as if you are not even in that your period. Apparently, it also cures the problem of insufficient flow of blood during your menstrual flow. Because if you're experiencing insufficient flow of blood during your menstrual flow, it simply means that some blood are retained in your system, which is not good. And some of these blood that are retained in the system are actually what causes some forms of cancer and some imbalances in the system. But with guava leaf, you notice that your flow goes easily without any obstruction, or you are not the one having spotted blood. Then tomorrow you think that your period has finished. Then after 2 days, you will suddenly see spotted blood again, and by then you are wearing certain clothes and now it disgraces. So apparently it shields you from any form of disgrace during the period of your menstrual flow. Another wonderful health benefit of this is that it helps to prevent different types of cancer, but especially breast and prostate cancer. Guava leaf have high lycopene content, and that lycopene content is very, very essential and vital in fighting cancer cells. And apparently, one of the cancer cells that is shrinking, fights, and they prevent is actually prostate enlargement or prostate cancer, as well as breast cancer and breast lump. So once you are taking guava leaf from time to time, one of the things that it does for you is that it prevents you from developing all these cancers. And above all, you're supposed to take this guava leaf as part of your tea, whether or not you are even in your monthly flow. On a normal day, just the way you take tea from time to time, you take it. It is one of the tea for post-menstrual period. What do I mean? Once you finish your period, don't just go and relax without cleaning your womb. One of the ways you can clean is actually using guava leaf and drink it immediately after your period. Let's say the next 3 days, you'll be making this tea morning and night and be drinking it. By God's grace, every form of particles of blood will be evacuated from your system, and it will not develop into any other problem in future, like blocked fallopian tube and others. The last but not the least, before I tell you exactly how to take it, is most of the video, people will come out about health benefit or certainly people will ask whether pregnant woman will take it. I will always tell you, go to your doctor. Guava leaf tea is the one tea that both pregnant and lactating or breastfeeding mother can take without fear, because it helps them in lots of amazing ways. The only thing is that especially for pregnant women, they have to take half of the dose of somebody that is not pregnant, which I'm going to explain to you the dose. So whatever dose I give, they need to take half of it instead of the full dosage. That is the difference. But for women that are breastfeeding, it's very, very good for their health, and it helps them in free flow of their breast milk and helps to also nurture the young baby. So the great question is, what actually is the dosage? First of all, be aware that you can actually dry guava leaf very well and blend it to form your tea like this, or you can get the fresh leaf. Now, first of all, how do you use the fresh leaves? Is that you need to get 7 to 10 of the young leaf, the one that is coming out newly from the mouth like this. You get 7 to 10 of the leaves, or if you are going to be using older leaves like this, then you need to get 5 to 6 of the older leaves. So any one of them gives the same nutrient. Then you wash it very well with salt and the water at least twice or 3 times to ensure that there is no dirt. Then put it inside a pot or kettle, as the case may be. If you want, you slice it. If you want, you put it like that. and then you boil it for just 10 minutes. When you boil it, leave it inside that place to cool down. Cover that pot. As it's cooling down, all the nutrients are draining out. Then after like next 10 to 15, 20 minutes, when it is now okay for you to take, then sieve it out and start drinking it. You can actually use the one set of leaf you put for 3 times. In other words, in the morning before you eat anything, you drink. In the night after all your meal, you drink. And then the next morning, you drink and change that particular set of leaves. And the dosage is actually 1 full glass cup if you are adult that is above 18 years. And then, so for apparently, if it's a pregnant woman, you have to take half. Then, for a kind of people that are between a kind of 8 years to 12 years, they should take 3/4. Then, for those that are between 12 years to 5 years, they should take half. Then for those that are 5 to 6 months, if they should just take 1/4 cup. Remember that 5 to 6 leaves, you are going to boil it in a full 1 liter of water. Then if you are going to be using the grinded one, then you have to get a full spoon and put it in 1 liter of water. Then that 1 liter of hot water, that's you boil hot water that is boiling, and then you put 1 full spoon there, stir it very well, that is in that 1 liter, and then measure and drink. You can actually freeze it to avoid it spoiling, or you can divide that 1 liter of water, use your eyes and divide into 4 and get quarter spoon stroke 25 cl of water. Quarter spoon for per each 25 cl of water. Then if you are preparing for 1 liter, you put full spoon. Maybe the entire family are going to be drinking it. You can actually put full spoon. So this is actually how to take it, and believe me, you see your health blossoming. You have other enormous health benefit. When I get enough thumbs up, enough comment and request for it in this particular video, I will also do those ones. So with this, I've actually come to the end of today's video, believing that somebody has actually find value. If you are one of those, why not give this video a thumbs up? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Hit the bell notification so as to get my next upload. Comment on this video, share this video and share it to everyone. I shall be helping a lot of people. As you do so, may God bless you, honor you, cause you to ride upon the high places of this earth. Still your lady Jane saying